Hey there, it's Mark Yagi, and I want to make a quick video to kind of dispel some rumors, right? You all think that you're losing money when the stock goes above your strike price, but I'm telling you, it's a nice little cushion to have. So when a stock goes over your strike price, if you're in the money, that in the money amount helps protect you dollar for dollar on the way down. I'm going to show you an example. So let's take a look at Tesla here today. And you can see over the last couple of weeks, stock has been fairly flat from a down of got down to like 370. And yesterday it hit all the way up here at like 430, something like that, 432. And today it's back down significantly, right? So I want to show you what that looks like on the portfolio. So take a look here. You can see Tesla. The stock is right now down $13.18. You can see that right there, okay? Now, I've got the 390 calls. Those are pretty deep in the money. In fact, very little juice left here on a Thursday, and I really could roll those out and get more juice for next week. But you know what? I'm a little bit afraid of this market. Right now it's yellow, and yellow means use caution. That doesn't mean go chasing it and rolling it up to the in the money amount or at the money amount or even out of the money. It just means be safe. So I'm not doing anything because I like having the cushion. Boy, good thing I did, because a lot of people said, why aren't you rolling it up? There's not much juice left. Well, there's only 60 cents of juice, and I got $10 worth of juice actually. That was $45,000 in juice on this trade, and the account is showing that in there. But the extrinsic value is down. I really could roll this. But look at what happens. The stock is down 12.58 right now, and the call is down 12.46 right now. What does that mean for me? Well, it means that on this particular Tesla position, I'm up $1,793 today. But the stock is down 12.59, Mark. How can that work? Well, it works because you've got that in the money of protection as the stock falls. So I'm not losing anything really. In fact, I'm making a little bit of money because I'm squeezing that last bit of juice out right here before it expires tomorrow. So I got a little gain in the juice, and that's really what's reflective here in this P&L. Be careful when you roll. A lot of you are probably going to ask the same question that everybody asks, because this is a different way of getting it, right? Different way of trading. But in the money calls are not going to get generally exercised or assigned to you. They're not going to get exercised unless you let them expire. I don't let my calls expire. I'm going to roll these tomorrow, depending, I don't know where, but I'm going to wait until the market tells me where tomorrow afternoon. So I still have 61 cents, not very much left. I mean, I could roll them now, but I don't want to. I want to keep my cushion. I've got cushion in this stock all the way down to 390, and right now it's about $25 ahead of that. But Tesla could move $25 down tomorrow, or it could move down 10. I don't want to lose that. So I'd rather give up a little bit of a day of juice just to hang in there and see what happens. So it's not always where I roll up or roll down or do anything like that. I'm using a bit of caution, and you should too. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.